Ngemi cia Raila Odinga umuthi icokirio mucii kwao mwena wa Bondo kaunti-ini ya Siaya. Mbuto ya NASA ikinyururia riendekithia ria kiama kia Jubilee ria kura citarwo ringi handu ha gucoka githurano-ini ikiuga ati mathanduku ni marikitie guthogwo.
They have been talking about counting ballot boxes. Because they know that they have already stuffed those ballot boxes. If you want to count ballot boxes, bring first the KIMS kits. The KIMS kits, which has a record of people who participated in the polling on that particular day. But we are ready for a repeat election. But these repeat elections must meet the internationally required standards.
Raila ni uritie mutongoria wa bururi atige kurongoreria marakara make kuri igoti akiuga ati agirirwo gwitikira githurano gitiari kirungaru macoke ndebe-ini.
Uhuru Kenyatta, we are ready for you. Your goose is cooked. NASA is ready. NASA will move forward. NASA will unite all the people of Kenya. And we have said before and we are repeating it here. Without those reforms, there will be no elections in the Republic of Kenya.
Mwena wa Trans Nzoia, Senator wa Bungoma Moses Wetangula egutongoragia mucemanio wa kwendia mogaruruku komishoni-ini ya githurano. Muthenya wa rucio NASA igacokia ndumo yayo kaunti-ini ya Nairobi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ndi mwena wa Bondo kaunti-ini ya Siaya. Njitagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.
Koro lingura do junugi moroka.